My name is Subodh Jayavanta Patil. The title of my project is Getting Systems. Content in micro project. First, introduction. Second, aim of project. Third, literature review. Fourth, brief description of project. Fifth, actual procedure followed. Skill development and references. Introduction. What is getting system? It is nothing but the basic design which is needed to construct a smooth and proper filling of the mold cavity of the casting without any discontinuity, voids or solid inclusion. A proper method of getting system is that is lead the poor molten metal to flow through a ladle to the casting cavity, which ensures proper and smooth filling of the cavity. This is depend on the layout of the getting channels too, such as the direction and the position of the runner, spool and ingates. Getting system. The assembly of channels which facilitates the molten metal to enter into the mold cavity is called the getting system. The design of a getting system depends on both the metal and mold compositions. For example, an elaborated gating design is needed to avoid dross in easily oxidized metal of low melting point such as aluminum. There are three types of gating system. First, top gating system. Second, bottom gating system. Third, parting line gating system. Disadvantages of gating system. The main disadvantages of this type of gating is the erosion of the mold which takes place by the falling metal. During pouring, the molten metal bottom type of gate enable to reduce the erosion of mold and core and minimize the turbulence of metal. Function of gating system. A poorly designed gating system result in casting defects. A gating system control mold filling processes. The main function of gating system is to lead clean molten metal from ladle to the casting cavity, ensuring smooth, uniform and complete filling. Aim of project. Study the concept of gating system. Study the type of gating system. Get all information about gating system. Literature review. Book of MPR author S.L. Gowde. There are two links of gating system in casting. Brief description of project. Gating system. The assembly of channels which facilitates the molten metal to enter into the mold cavity is called the gating system. The design of a gating system depends on both the metal and mold composition. For example, an elaborated gating design is needed to avoid dross in easily oxidized metal of low melting point such as aluminum. There are three types of gating system. First, top gating system. Second one, bottom gating system. And third one, parting line gating system. Actual procedure followed. We select our group project topic. We start searching about our project information. We read our project manufacturing processes book. for collecting information about the type of lathe. We go library and read the manufacturing processes book of G-Scheme. We start searching of the internet about type of gating systems. We write all collected data in rough. We write to collect material and preparation. When we have complete all the work, we make our flex and then go to prepare a project report for cyber, and we get printout of our project report. First type of gating system is top gating system. In top gating system, the metal is poured from the top of the mold cavity. Since the first metal reaches the bottom and hotter metal is at the top, a favorable temperature gradient towards the gate is achieved. The mold is filled quickly, but as metal falls directly into the mold cavity through height, it is likely to cause mold erosion. The gate may serve as riser, hence no separate riser is used in system. It is suggested for simple casting shape of ferrous alloy. This is the diagram for top gating system. Second type of gating system is bottom gating system. In bottom gating system, molten metal is introduced from bottom of mold cavity. As molten metal enters from there is no erosion of mold. Bottom gate is generally used for very deep molds. It takes more time for filling the mold. Bottom gating system causes unfavorable temperature gradient as compared with top gating system. To compensate this, large size riser is used. Parting line gating system. It is a last type of gating system. In parting line gating system, molten metal enter the mold cavity from the side of mold at the level of parting plane. Parting line gating system has combined characteristics of two and bottom gating systems. In gating channels are at the parting line. It is easy to produce it and modify if necessary. The most widely used in horizontal gating with ingots at the parting line. In vertical gating system, ingots may be positioned at top, bottom or side. Parting line gates are very simple to construct and very fast to make. They produce very satisfactory result when the drag is not very deep and proved to be very advantageous when they can be fed directly into the riser. In this system, the hottest metal reaches the riser, thereby promoting directional solidification. Function of gating system. To provide continuous feed of molten metal to mold cavity with as little turbulence as possible. To fill the mold cavity completely in shortest possible time. To provide with a minimum with excess metal in the gate and riser. Metal flow should be maintained in such a way that no gating is mold erosion takes place. Elements in gating system: portion basin, spur, runner, riser and gate. Skill development. Teamwork. Working with the team of group members means teamwork skill developed between used during processes. Leadership development. Working with group members, leadership skill developed. Presentation skill development. We give the presentation of our micro project. The presentation skill is developed. Group discussion. Group discussion skill also develop in making the project with group member. References. Book of MPR author S.L. Gawle. There are two links of getting system in casting. Thank you.